Hey you guys, Fastest Pastor here. Thanks for tuning in to my channel. What is going to happen on the video this week? Well, first of all, I'm going to give you a little update with Bernice being back here at Kelly Moss Road and Race for her final inspection and checkup. Also, I'm just going to give you a quick update as far as the car goes. And also, after this, you are going to be able to see some more sights and sounds of Bernice going up Pikes Peak. And there's some neat angles that you're going to be able to see some neat things. So make sure you tune in. Hey you guys, Fastest Pastor here. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm here at Kelly Moss Road and Race. It's a few days before Bernice has to go back. So she's back here at Kelly Moss Road and Race. She's here to get a thorough cleaning, a couple upgrades and some suspension changes, nothing major. She's done really well up at Pikes Peak, and I'm super excited about that. I'm super excited how she's done. Kelly Moss has just done a spectacular job. The Yokohama tires, amazing. I cannot thank them enough for what they've given us in tire support. Along with that is just all our sponsors and everything. They've been able to make it happen. So what's going to happen in this video is I'm just going to continue to give you a quick update, and then you guys are going to be able to see some unique sounds and sights of Bernice in the video that follows. So I know you guys got a little piece of it last week, last video, so this one will have a little bit more. So where are we at? So we just needed some upgrades to Bernice. We just wanted to bring her back, make sure she's good to go. She's going to get the rest of the sponsors put on the car. We're going to get her shoot up and ready for Pikes Peak. And so she leaves on Friday. That way we can make it out to Colorado Springs in time. And next week is practice and qualifying. And then basically it's race day. So we aren't that far away. We're a little bit more than a week and 5 days. No, we're a week and 5 days away from the day. And so I'm just nervous, but I'm excited. We'll see. You know, I just continue to race against myself in every turn, you know, trying to make things better, my acceleration, my braking, my turning, and just making sure I'm doing what I need to do. And Bernice, you know, Jameson and the crew here at Kelly Moss Road and Race are taking care of her. Andy's done an excellent job being my team engineer. So my whole crew, I can't thank them enough. You know, they all were out in Colorado Springs. A lot of them were our dads, and they were out there during Father's Day to make this dream happen for me. So I just can't thank them enough for that. So stay tuned. Check out this video of the sights and sounds of Bernice. Again, God bless you guys. We love you guys. Make sure you add us on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter, Fastest Pastor. And also, make sure you subscribe and like this video and check out our other ones. All right? God bless you guys and love you guys.